Let's see what this human neural system consists of. The human neural system is one of the organ system that we have in the human beings. It contains two parts: the central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. Center means in the center, something that is in the center of our body. So central nervous system consists of brain and a spinal cord. The brain connected to the spinal cord. But peripheral nervous system is nothing but nerves. They are all neurons. This system is an organized network. The neural system is an organized network which maintains the coordination between different organs of the body. And now the peripheral nervous system, which only consists of nerves or neurons, um, it's again divided into two two different kinds called somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. So from the name, you can just understand what will be the kind of nerves here. These are all nerves, right? These are all nerves. So nerves are there. There will be two kinds of nerves: afferent nerves and efferent. Afferent means it's transmitting the stimulus from or information from the central nervous system towards tissues and organs. And efferent means it is bringing information or it's transmitting stimulus from the organs or tissues to the central nervous system. Afferent means it's sending the stimulus from the central nervous system to different tissues and organs. And efferent nerves means those nerves which are bringing information or stimulus from organs or tissues back to the nervous system, to the central nervous system. That means the brain and spinal cord. That are the two kinds of afferent nerves and efferent nerves. Now the peripheral nervous system. Peripheral means the outside, the boundary. The peripheral nervous system is again divided into two kinds: somatic and autonomic. Somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. So basically, they are nerves, and nerves are connecting the organs in the central nervous system, right? The central nervous system will be common in between these two kinds of nervous system. What differs is the kind of organ. If it is controlling, if it is between the transmission of information or stimulus between the skeletal muscles and the central nervous system, which is a voluntary movement, that constitutes a somatic nervous system. The nerves which transmits or receive information or stimulus between the skeletal muscle and the central nervous system are known as autonomic nervous system. On the other hand, the nerves which carries information or stimulus between the central nervous system and involuntary organs. These are skeletal muscles. These are involuntary organs like the heart, or intestine, just doing on their own. Like our lungs, which are performing functions on their own. So the information or stimulus between those organs, involuntary organs, and the central nervous system is done by the autonomous nervous system, right? Again, the autonomic nervous system is divided into parasympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. So what brain and spinal cord is meant for? It's meant for information processing or information controlling. I hope it's a backbone of the human neural system.